Hi, I'm Carol Varano, Senior Director of Customer Enablement and Documentation. Our new user and new administrator learning paths are available in the Success Center. These are a great way to upskill new employees to using Trintech's products. These learning paths are a combination of webinar recordings, videos, training guides, and other resources to help you onboard your team quickly and efficiently to Trintech solutions. Our e-learning courses are a great way for customers to learn end-to-end workflows for our products. These are available in the Success Center and provide a self-study option for new users and new administrators to get up to speed quickly on Trintech solutions. Each e-learning course combines best practices, tips, and software simulations where folks can practice new workflows within Trintech software. This is a great way to refresh on existing functionality as well as take advantage of new functionality that your organization might not yet be using. You can visit our e-learning courses in the Success Center. You can register for e-learning courses within the Success Center.